In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your connection is not private in Chrome on laptop and PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, this error is frequently caused by a mismatch between your system clock and the website security certificate, or a hung SSL state in Windows 11. So Google Chrome uses your laptop's date and time to verify if a website security certificate is still valid. If your clock is off even by a few minutes, the certificate will appear expired. So what you want to go ahead and do is right click the time and date in the bottom right corner of your taskbar, and then you want to select the adjust date and time. Ensure set time automatically is turned on. So I want to enable this, and you want to make sure that is always turned on, and click the sync button on sync now if you need to as well. So we can just go ahead and equip that. And sometimes this will come up, so just restart your device and then click sync now, and still just ensure that this is done. Restart Chrome and then try opening the website again. What you can also do is clear the SSL state in Windows. Press the Windows key and type in Internet Options, like so, hit enter. Then go over to the content tab, and then what you can do is clear SSL state, which is right there, and that should definitely help as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.